Okay, class is in session. Okay, so today we're going to talk about angles. Angles? What are angles? Well, angles have two sides. How many sides do they have? Two. We got two sides. 1, 2. Okay, and they share a common endpoint, which is called the vertex. It's called the vertex. Okay, so let's talk about the different types of angles. Okay, first we have a right angle. Okay, right angles. You see right angles, right? Right. Okay, so an example of a right angle is the corner of this paper. Okay, it's 90 degrees. Okay, so that's what this little dot up here means. That means degrees. Okay, so when you're also looking at a right angle, this little box right here, that is telling you that it is at a right angle. Okay, so next let's talk about an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so if I had this line right here, okay, that shows that this part right here is, what is this part right here? It's a right angle, okay, so it's a little bit bigger, so it's greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so one way to name an angle is with letters A, B, C. Angle ABC is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, one thing that you need to remember is this vertex right here, that middle point, it's always going to be in the middle. Okay, that's what tells you what intersection you need to look at. Then you only look at the 3 letters it's telling you to look at. I'll show you an example here in just a minute, okay? So let's look at an acute. Oh, it's so cute because it's so little. It's an acute little angle, okay? It's a cute little angle. It is less than 90 degrees, okay? And another way to name an angle is with a number. So right here, this is angle 1 is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, now we have a straight angle. A straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. Okay? 180 degrees. What does that look like? What is it? It's a straight line, right? Straight angle, straight line, 180 degrees. Okay? So again, one way to name an angle is with the 3 letters. Angle A, B, C. Another way to name an angle is just with the vertex at the angle. So like this could also be called angle B. Okay? It's greater than 90. So there's 3 ways to name an angle with 3 letters, A, B, C, with just the vertex, angle B, or with a number. How many ways can you name an angle? 3. What is one way?
11 letters.
How many letters?
3.
Or?
Numbers.
1 letter. And the last way is?
Numbers.
Okay. So let's look at this. Have you seen those words complementary and supplementary before?
Yes.
Where?
Just like in a dictionary.
In a dictionary? Did you maybe hear them last year?
Yes. 4th grade.
In 4th grade? Okay. So I'm going to show you an easy way to remember complementary and supplementary. Now in the word complementary, how many P's do you see?
1.
Okay, so 1 P is going to equal 90, okay? So you have a P, it's going to equal 90, okay? In supplementary, how many P's do you see?
2.
So you got 2 P's, and each P is worth 90. So if you got 2 P's and you add them together, what do you get?
180.
So supplementary, 2 P's, 180. Complementary, 1 P, 90. Okay? All right. So one thing you have to be able to do is to find the measurement of the missing angle. Okay, so right here, I'm telling you the sum of angle 1 and the angle 2 is 90. If you have two angles, when you add them together and they equal 90, what is that? Complementary or supplementary? Complementary. So if angle 1 equals 48, so 48 degrees plus angle 2 is 90, right? Because they're complementary. So in order to figure out what angle 2 is, I subtract, right?
Yes.
Okay?
48. And you get 42.
So then I get 42, right? And 42 plus 48 is equal to what?
90.
And that's the best way for you to check your answer, because is it super easy to mess up your math?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay? So the way that I did this problem, I'm going to do this the same way. Okay? So if I know angle 1 is 109, what kind of angle is that? It's 109. It's 109 degrees. What kind of angle?
Obtuse.
It is obtuse, okay? So because it's greater than what?
90.
90, it's obtuse. What kind of angle is number 2 without even finding it yet?
Acute.
It is a cute little angle, okay? So how would I find the measurement of angle 2?
Subtracting.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Thomas. Okay. All right. So now you asked earlier what happens if you have 4 letters, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have 4, A, B, C, and D, right?
Yep.
Okay, so this right here, this is angle ABC.
Okay.
So those 3 tell me where to look, those 3 letters. Now I have another angle, CBD. And remember, this middle letter is always your what?
Vertex.
Is your vertex, okay? It tells you what is in the middle. Okay? Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, what 3 types of angles do we have? 4. 4.
Right.
Right angle, obtuse, acute, and straight. Straight.
So like
What does complementary mean?
290 degrees.
2 angles that what?
equal
Equal
180.
Equal what?
180. 90.
90. So it's complementary is 2 angles that equal what?
90.
Supplementary is 2 or more angles that equal what?
180.
Okay, and what's the best way to remember the difference between complementary?
Peas.
Huh?
2 P's or 1 P.
2 P's or 1 P?
1 P equals 90.
Okay, everybody say bye.
Bye.